Her name is Luisa, a 6-year-old beautiful girl. Her face, nose, and teeth are perfectly aligned. But look at her now. Because some of her habits, her face got destroyed. You may ask, what really happened to her face? Not only Luisa, there are many people who have gone through this. And I'm going to tell you those same habits that are destroying your face. You may be making those same mistakes. If you will make one of the mistakes that I'm going to address in this video, it will brutally impact on your face. So watch these points. The only way to avoid them is to be aware of them. Disclaimer, whatever point I'm about to tell is scientifically proven and there are multiple studies conducted on them, so you can trust my words. Mistake number 1. Your sleeping posture. Sleeping in the wrong posture can silently destroy your face, leaving more damage than you could ever imagine. Picture this, when you sleep on one side, pressing the whole face into the pillow, night after night, it can cause deep permanent wrinkles. The constant pressure distorts your delicate facial muscles and even reshapes your facial bones. Your jawline, cheekbones can shift suddenly.
One thing I've noticed is that people who have certain facial features, people with very narrow jaws, the triangular faces, by definition, they're going to have a smaller space inside the mouth. These are the people that naturally will want to sleep on their stomachs or their sides. If you have wide jaws and very widely spaced teeth, then those people will be able to sleep on their backs,
leading to an uneven and asymmetrical appearance. Measurements. Sleep on your back. This is the best position to prevent the pressure on your face and keeping your facial bones in alignment, and use a proper pillow. Mistake number 2. Crowded teeth. If you have a good aligned teeth, you can skip this point. But still, if you want some interesting knowledge, you can watch this. If you have crowded teeth, then don't take it for granted. Mainly, your teeth's arch shape defines your jawline. In simple words, in brief, your teeth are placed in the shape of an arch. The more perfect arch you have, the more perfectly your teeth are aligned, and the broader your palate will look. For those who don't know what palate is, this is palate. The wider your palate is, the wider your face will look. Your lower palate mainly defines your jawline, and your upper palate mainly defines your cheekbones and maxilla. Now listen, if your teeth are crowded, then your palate will be small and narrow. Your face will look narrow. It destroys the whole game. There is a bone, mandible, which is also called jawbone. The growth of your mandible will stunt if your lower teeth are crowded, which leads your jawbone to grow smaller. Your lower teeth will be recessed than your upper teeth. Now you may ask, what should I do now? If you have crowded teeth and you are in your teenage years, then I will advise you to go for braces right now. In teenage years, if facial bones are soft, you will quickly see results. This point is very brief. I will make a separate video for it. But in short, never get your teeth plucked out during braces treatment, and go for palate expanders. They will expand your palate and widen your jaw so that your teeth can fit in. This is a common treatment. Mistake number 3. Mouth breathing. This is the most diabolical thing you could ever do to your face. Not just Luisa, but millions of people are falling victim to this. And the weird part is, most of them aren't even aware of it. Now I will make you aware of it. You will develop crowded teeth, a crooked nose, a small upper and lower palate, a narrow face, flat cheekbones, a small mandible, which is also called jawbone, recessed maxilla, and downward growth of your face. These are all the losses if you breathe from your mouth. Not only your appearance, but your health will also get negatively affected. Our cheeks, more specifically buccinatory muscles, applies inward force on our teeth. To nullify the effect of that force, we use our tongue. Our tongue applies outward force on teeth so that our teeth will be in equilibrium, which is also called buccinatory equilibrium. This practice, where we place our tongue at the roof of our upper palate, is called mewing. There are shooters on our palate, means cracks, which helps our jaw to grow in our teenage years. Constant force applied to the palate by mewing helps our jaw grow wider. Mewing helps our face to grow forward and wider. Mistake number 4. Improper diet. I don't think so there is any need to explain it. Just take protein equals to your body weight in kgs. 60 kg body weight means 60 grams of protein per day, and eat fruits and vegetables to fulfill the need of micronutrients. So don't compromise in your diet. See you in the next video.